oatmeal and chia seed porridge have become one of my favorites. It's so delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. I just added some oatmeal into my pot. I added some water to it and I'm going to allow to soak for 5 minutes. I like my oatmeal to be very soft. That is why I soak it for 5 minutes. I added a teaspoon of sugar, add any sweetener of your choice, and I added a pinch of salt. Salt make your oatmeal to be very delicious. It make it taste really well. I just allow it to cook. While it's cooking, I'm stirring on it so it doesn't burn. Added a pinch of cinnamon and I stir everything together and allow everything to cook together for another 1 minute, and that is it, guys. It's so simple to put together and it's so delicious. I don't cook my oatmeal more than 3 to 5 minutes and it is ready. And you guys, this tasted so delicious. Go and give it a try. All I'm going to do now, I'll go ahead and turn off the heat and I will go here with my chia seed, which I soak overnight. I like to soak my chia seed overnight. It makes it more softer. Alright, once I add my chia seed, I just stir everything together until they are well combined. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. Go ahead, serve it, add your milk and add any topping of your choice. I just go in with my milk and I'm making use of skimmed powdered milk, which I just mix into water and I pour it into my oatmeal. I top it up with some groundnuts. You can add fruits if you want. On this particular day, I don't want any fruits. And that is it, guys. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.